Hello and welcome. How to set password on Google Chrome. For this, click on Google Chrome. Click on these three dots. Click on extensions. Then click on manage extensions. Then click on open Chrome Web Store. Under the Chrome Web Store, click on this search box and type Chrome lock. Just click on Chrome lock. As you can see guys, some extensions has been appeared. Click on this extension. Click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. And now here you can set password according to your need. So choose password and remember it. Click on OK. Set password for your browser. Click on OK. The Chrome browser will be closed for applying the password settings. And now open the Chrome browser. Click on Chrome browser. As you can see, the Chrome browser has been logged and asking for the password. So put correct password, then click on